What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be putting some upgrades on the truck, and I think it's going to make it look a lot better. Anything paint matched is going to be a lot better, and we're putting some more paint match things on here. So with that being said, I'll give you guys a little sneak peek before we get crazy into this. And as you can see, we are matched with the paint, and these are AVS. These are the low profile window visors. I've never really been a fan of the window visors, if I must be honest. However, the ones that stick on the outside, they stick on the outside of the window there. I don't like those because they'll peel the paint or let adhesive and stuff and all that behind. But these actually go up inside the window track and stick to the felt on the inside of the seal. So should be a lot better, and it's a lot cleaner of a look. And then if you want to remove it later, it's definitely a lot cleaner that way as well. So we'll just do a little bit of a test fit here. Throw this up in there. And this part goes behind the mirror. First things first is they sent us this little Scotch-Brite pad, and you want to clean, or I should say, kind of scratch the inside of the window trim to kind of scratch it up so the adhesive can stick to it better. And then after you do that, you're going to take the alcohol pad and clean that out. And then you're going to kind of peel both edges, or one edge, two edges if applicable, but not in this situation. So now you're gonna take this off here, peel this back about 2 inches. Same thing on this side, peel it back about 2 inches, and then throw it up in the seal. And then you're gonna be able to kind of push it as you go and peel off the adhesive or the plastic barrier, cover, whatever you want to call it. So at this point, you're gonna be able to slowly put the window up, and I'm gonna do that from over there. And then before you even do that, just make sure that everything is lined up, and as you go along the seal, you wanna push it up in there, kind of like you've seen me do. And just kind of run your finger along that side. Obviously this one isn't in yet. We only have that one in over there. So I'll get that one thrown up. Make sure that when you put the window up that it doesn't catch anything as you put it up. Get the rest of them with the Scotch-Brite, the alcohol pad, and we'll be able to slam these out really quick. So windows up, looks pretty clean. However, when I went to put the window up, messing with the automatic, because it goes up by itself and there's a fine line there in the switch. When it got up so far, it actually wanted to push the window back down. So if you've ever stuck your hand out the window when you go to put the switch up, and the window's coming up, it'll actually sense that resistance and drop the window back so you don't get your hand cut in there. It must have been sensing the resistance in the visor itself. So hopefully that doesn't cause problems when you go to put the window up later, because if that's the case, these things will come out as fast as they went in. Also, you're gonna wanna let the window up for probably, it's really cold now, so I'm gonna let mine up for probably a week before I even put any of them down. On a normal time, like during the summer, anything like that, you can probably get away with doing it maybe 24 hours, 48 hours, something like that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but I think it actually looks pretty good. It looks a little lighter, but I think it's just the angle that we're at, because depending how I have the camera, I don't know, but either way, I think it's gonna look pretty good. We'll have to tell when it's a lot better lighting out. But anyway, we'll get the other ones out. I got all the other ones Scotch Brighted, and just got to do some alcohol pads yet. And then we'll throw them all up in there and we'll see what it looks like. I think it may transform the truck. Really weird about these things, but they're not hard to pull back out if I feel the need to. So we're gonna get these alcohol pads ready to roll. Also, if you guys are not subscribed yet, and most of the watch time that we are getting is from non-subscribers, what are you doing? You are missing out. You need to subscribe to the channel. Do it now. I will put a link for that in the description below. Now, with the back ones, you're gonna want to remove that little piece there, that little piece, and like 2 inches on each side so you can pull it out. And this one fit a little bit looser, so we're gonna just do that. It shouldn't be an issue doing the back ones compared to the front ones. The front ones you have to actually tuck behind the mirror here ever so slightly. But I'll get this one on and then I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll get the other 2 on. You don't need to see a repeat of me doing, oh my gosh, look at all the bugs. Let me just say, you're gonna want 2 hands to do the back one. The back one fits a lot more loose and is a little bit more of a pain in the ass. So we're gonna roll the window up here and we'll see if the stupid resistor in the window catches on these ones and make sure that they're going outside. Nope, that one did not. So get up here and make sure everything is where we wanted it, and it looks really good. So now I'll be able to show you guys what it looks like front and back. And yeah, I'm digging it. I'm kind of debating on whether or not I want to do something with the pillars here on the doors because of that being a flat black, but we'll see. Future video maybe. But there you can kind of get an idea what it's going to look like. Looks pretty good, I think. Again, we'll have to see exactly what it looks like in the daytime, and I can show you guys that in a future video because obviously today kind of sucks for lighting. And it's getting dark, so I'm going to try and run around and get these other 2 thrown in. Should take about 5 minutes to do that. And then at that point, I will give you guys a finished walk around of the truck, and then we're gonna be done. All right, guys, we are finished and definitely looks clean. It's definitely a small upgrade, but it definitely makes it go a long way. And it looks like there's a little bit more of a gap in the front than there is in the rear, and some of that could just be the way that the windows being, which I think it is, because there I just kind of made it equal. But I do apologize for the rushiness in this video, but due to the wonderful time change, it gets dark way too early anymore. So kind of sucks. Can't get anything done, but what are you gonna do? It is what it is. Can't change it. So either way, it's gonna be a little hard to get used to that because my eyes go right to that point of just seeing the truck like that. And the same thing back here, this stupid gap is a little bit different than the front. That's a little better. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, even though it was rushy as shit. But that's gonna do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. You know what to do. If you enjoyed the video, if it helped you out, give it a big thumbs up. Let any comments down below, and be sure to subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button. And as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video.